gorgeous people. This is Amber's DIY and other stuff. My name is Amber Meeks. Today is Surprise Sunday, and on this video, I have for you more friend mail. Okay, guys, I was so not expecting this friend mail at all, so I'm super excited to see what was sent to me. This friend mail came from Kim. Her channel was called Kimmy's Boxes. She didn't mention to me at all that she was sending anything to me, so I'm really excited to see what's inside this box. Without further ado, let's see what I got. Okay, guys, so here's my box. How cute is that? Now, I covered up my address, of course, because I don't want you guys to see that, but it has a cute little sticker on the front here. She's got some cute, fun stickers on the back. Let's see what's inside the box. Alrighty, dighty. When I open it up, it looks like this. Yay! Bubble wrap. I need more bubble wrap. Amber, just some friend mail. How cute. Oh, she's got unicorns and hearts and peace signs. Look at how cute that is, guys. Love it, love it, love it. Let's open up this card first. See what's in the card. Maybe, maybe not. Okay, so it says thank you. Thank you for what? Look how beautiful these butterflies are, guys. How pretty is that? That's really pretty. Makes you want to do something with the card, doesn't it? Aw, she drew a rose on here. How pretty. Hey, Amber, I saw these at my local antique store and thought of you. I hope you like them. Thank you for being awesome and a wonderful friend. Love, Kim. Aw, look at that, guys. Look at that. She tells me she's not crafty. Girl, this is crafty. This is crafty. You see me draw a rose. It doesn't look like that. Promise you that. Alrighty, dighty. Well, let's see what she sent to me. All bubble wrapped up, guys, and it is in some beautiful butterfly tissue paper. Let's see here. She said they were antiques, so I want to be careful, guys. I really don't want to mess these up. It seems like she's got them packaged up really good, but I don't want to mess them up. Stop it. Ah, it's like a salt and pepper. I can't. Like, I can't. Stop it right now. I can't. Oh, how cute. I think this one's Salt. Isn't Salt the 3? How cute is that? All right, I'm sorry, guys. Look, it's a cow salt pepper shaker. And he's sitting down. They're never sitting down. That is so cool. So I think that, see how the top is right there? There's 3 holes. I think that's the pepper one, right? Here's the back. I love it. How sweet of you, Kim. He's cute. I love it. I love it. I'm sitting right there. These are going to be decorative, guys. I'm not going to, like, use it. Just saying. Okay, and we got the pepper, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, because it has the 2 holes. Ah, it's the same cow. How cute is that, guys? And it has the 2 holes for the pepper, because most people use more salt than pepper. Look how cute that is. So this is what they would look like sitting, oops, sorry. Or not, sitting on my counter. How cute. Look at that. Yay, they're in love. We're going to make them be in love. Oh, they're so adorable. Kim, how sweet of you to think of me. Thank you. These are definitely going to go right in my kitchen because that is where most of the cow-themed stuff is. Boop. But once I get my craft studio done, I will have a lot of the cow-themed stuff in there because I'm doing like a, well, it's going to be black and white cows still, but it's going to be like a purple cow theme in there, so I'm really excited about that. Can't wait to get that done. I will no longer be filming in my closet as soon as I can get that together, and I'll be so excited about it. But Kim, thank you so much for thinking about me. This is really sweet. I absolutely love them. I will definitely have them on display in my kitchen with all the other fabulous cow stuff that I've received. Okay, guys, so I got an additional package from Kim after I'd already unboxed the super cute salt and pepper cow shakers. And I wasn't expecting it, guys, like at all. She never mentioned anything to me about sending me anything. And I got this package in the mail and I was like, what the heck is this? I mean, I order a lot of stuff, guys. I mean, that's no secret. Like, I order a lot of stuff. But I was like, okay, I don't know what this is. So I started to open it, and as I opened it, there was a note on top of it, and it says, for sweet Noah, so he has some fun bath times. Love, Kim from Kimmy's Boxes. I was like, what? Oh my gosh, you guys. Just thinking of my son, just, you know what that does to me, guys. So I haven't opened up the package yet, although obviously I know what it is now. I was like, man, this thing has some white to it. I'm like, what is in here? So here's the package. Let me open this up here and see what we got. All natural, colorful. Oh my God, you guys have no idea how much he loves bath bombs. Look at this, guys. What? This is so awesome. He's going to be so excited, guys. I just did the one that Stephanie from Random Reviews with Stephanie sent to us. Oh my gosh, it was such a bright blue. He loved it. He did not want to get out of the bathtub. So that is so fun. Oh my gosh. Okay, I got to open this little seal here. I'm going to open this up. Oh my. Oh, how cute. Oh, they're specifically for kids. Oh my gosh, Kim. Oh, so this is called relaxation.com, I guess is the name of this place. So they gave me a code for 10% off. I'm probably definitely going to use it, guys, because oh, stop it. They included a little rubber ducky. They're so cute. Okay, let me just give you guys a vibe for what this looks like. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. Look at that. Look at all these bath bombs, you guys. I hope you're getting this. Let me hold this straight so that I can hopefully zoom in on this because these are so incredibly cute. Oh my gosh, you guys, this is so awesome. I am really excited. There are so many different ones in here. Oh, and they smell amazing, you guys. Look at this. Kim, oh my God, he's gonna love this. I mean, he really gets so excited when the bath water is a different color. It's just, I mean, bath time's that much more fun. I have never had issues giving him a bath or anything like that. He likes bath time. But he likes it even more with all these colored bath bombs. And the fact that you've got a set that is specifically for kids. There's like a mulberry summer, a mango papaya, cotton candy. And it says 12 bath bombs kids set. Kim, oh my gosh, I'm so happy. You have no idea, I'm so excited. It's so funny because I'm down to like a couple of bath bombs and I'm like, okay, I'm gonna have to get him some more because he was enjoying the whole bath bomb thing, and now I don't have to because Kim totally hooked him up. Kim, this is so sweet. Oh my gosh, thank you so much. Like, I'm really excited about this. Probably more excited than he'll be. He won't be excited until he sees all the colors in the water. But Kim, thank you so much. This is a really special gift because he loves this stuff, and that was thoughtful. Kim, you pay attention, girl. Thank you so much. I really, really, really appreciate it. Again, guys, if you have not checked out Kim, I will have her channel linked in the description box below. She does do a lot of unboxings, but she does other things on her channel as well. So please make sure if you haven't checked her out that you check her out as soon as you're done watching this video. I'm going to go ahead and jump into whatever my outro was. I have no idea what that was, but I had to pop in and show this additional awesome gift. So let's go ahead and jump into whatever my final thoughts are. Thanks so much for taking the time to check this out, and I'll catch you in my next video. Bye! What's up, gorgeous? Ugh. Hold on. Oh, hold on. He's singing so loud. Hold on. Okay, guys. So, yeah. I don't know what to say. Hold on. Okay, guys. So, after I'd already filmed the video of the, yep. Bam! I'm so tired. I need to not film. Okay, guys. So, I'd already filmed the, why can't I think? Wow. Okay, guys, so I'd already filmed the package with the little cow antiques in it, and I'm not gonna get this out. I'm too tired. Okay, guys, so I got an additional package from Kim after I'd already unboxed the why can't I do this?